Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix insufficient storage on Capcut PC. So go to menu, go back to home page, and you are going to hit the settings tab here. Go to settings again, and here, as you can see, there's a cache size. You're just going to hit delete and select clear cache files and select OK. You can also move around these storage spaces to different drive, so it clears it from one drive that is a little bit too full. Like maybe my C drive is full, so I can just change it to my D drive instead, to my hard disk. Then press save and make sure you auto delete cache files from 15 days ago and press save. It doesn't delete anything like your projects or your media, it just deletes the effects that you've downloaded, but it's still going to be there for you to find. It's just going to make you have to download it again, pretty much. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.